All right, so here I am, and we are in one of 12 villas that you can find here at Disney's Riviera Resort. Let's go start in the dining room. So the dining room is stunning and has an awesome view of the lake, as well as just beautiful appointments. Then just off of the dining room is the living space. Tons of room for you and your family, up to 12, to have a fantastic time together. And again, you've got these stunning views of both the pool, the lake, and you've got great places to sit while you're here. Now, let's go back through the dining room. I see my favorite little chef right there. We're gonna head into the main bedroom now. I don't know about you, but I could 100% absolutely live in this room. You've got all sorts of lovely artwork. Let's take a peek in the closet super quick. Tons of room for everything you need, but I see what I'm really excited about, and that's the bathroom. Oh my goodness. You've got your giant tub with your bubbles from the bottom. You've got your 2 mirrors, a vanity table to get ready, of course, the necessary toilet, and you know what? I'm gonna go in the shower because it's so beautiful. Just phenomenal. Love the herringbone tiles on those floors. Again, you've got your Disney artwork throughout, your H2O amenities. All right, so let's keep this party going. Let's circle back through the kitchen. You've got your double door entry. Inside of this closet is your washer and dryer. You've got your full kitchen here, as well as a dishwasher, a large island for everybody to hang out and talk before they get their day started. I want all the artwork. That's all it is. I just want all the artwork. You've got another bathroom here. You've got a tub, so if you have little ones, they can have a bath while you're here. You've also got the removable shower head that lets you rinse them off nicely. Then over here, you've got 3 bedrooms, I believe. You've got this one with 2 queen-size beds. Oh my goodness gracious. I'm so sorry. This is my first time seeing it. Look at the artwork with Wally and Eva. It's so awesome. You've got your closet. Again, lots of room in these closets. We're gonna go into this bedroom. Again, it's very similar setup, except for this one has its own attached bathroom. You've also got a little vanity desk area. Now, one thing that I'm super excited that the resorts here have started doing is this little space right here. Now, it may seem silly, but it's twofold for me because that's where you can store your luggage and that's where your kids can't hide. Also, you've still got these great views out onto the lake. Let's take a peek into this bathroom. Just stunning. There's the Princess Tiana. I love this piece of artwork. Probably too much, but I love it. Again, you've got a shower with both the handheld and the rainfall, the bench, the everything. What more could you ask for? So that is a look at the Grand Villa you can find here at Disney's Riviera Resort. Again, there are 12 of them. They sleep up to 12 people per Grand Villa, and they are phenomenal.